So in the previous video we are just going through the chapter number 2, that is percentage and average. In that we have just reached to the exercise 2.5. In that I think we have done number 4 is question number 1, 2 and 3, and then after we are just today do 4, 5 and 6. Let us do that. So here question number 4 of exercise 2.5. Exercise 2.5, question number 4, that is a price of dress costing 140 is reduced by 10%. What is the new price? Here question number 4, a price of dress, that is price of dress 140 rupees. Okay, and then after it is reduced by 10%, then what is the new price? Reduced by 10%, then what is our new price? Then first of all we have to find out that 140 is 10% is equal to how much? So let us do that. So 140, here we have to make 10% of 140, that is 10 upon 100 into 140. So 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay, 1 0 here, 1 0 here. Then it is just 14 rupees. The 10% of 140 is 14 rupees. Then what we will do? We will just subtract it from 140 minus 40. Then our answer will be 10 minus 4, that is 6, 3 minus 1, that is 2, and 1 remain as it is. So our answer is 126 rupees. Okay students, please note down and we will just move towards question number 5. From question number 5, I will do any of the 3. That is, take 20% of each of the following. Which of the answer is a whole number? So we have to take 20% of each of the following. So let us take it here. That is question number 5. 20% of all means we have to find 20% of all following. So from that I will do any of the 3. So which 3 I will do? That is B, which is 23.50 rupees. Then after B, which is 19.75, and then after F, that is 54. Okay, that is 54. So let us do it one by one, and A, C and E that you have to do by your own. Okay students, here first of all doing this, so we have to find the 20% of it. So what will be the 20%? That is 20 upon 100 into 23.50. Okay, here how we can cut this? No, here what we will do is, here we will do 20 upon 100 into 350. Here we will do 100. Here there are 2 decimal points, and what we will do in the division, it will be 100. So you can see here 10 2s are 20, 2 50s are. Okay, then after 5 10s are, 5 4s are 20, 5 7s are 35. Then after here we get, that is 47 upon 10. Okay, then we will write, that is 4.7. Okay, 4.7. I am just writing it over in the downside. So here that is 4.7. Okay, that is 4.7. So this is our 20% of 23.50. Okay, then after next, that is 19.75. We have to take 20%, so 20 upon 100 into 19.75, and as over here there are two digits, so what we will do, 20 upon 100 into 1975 into 100. Here there are two digits after decimal, so I have put here 2 zeros means 100. So here for as 0 0 cut, then after 2 5s are 10, 5 3s are 15, then 5 9s are 45, then 5 5s are 25. Here we get, that is 395 upon 100. Okay, then our answer will be 3.95 rupees. Okay, that is 20%. And the third one, that is 54 of, we have to find the 20%. So here, as it is 20 upon 100 into 54. Okay, here 0 0 cut, then 54 into 2, that is 4 2s are 8, 5 2s are 10 upon 10. Okay, then here it gives 10.8, which is 20% of 54. Okay students, please note down this. And then after in the question number 6, we have to increase weight of each of the following by 15%. So what is the new weight that we will do? First of all, you just write down this. Okay, have you written this? So here you can see in the question number 1, the first, that is cornflakes. Okay, question number 1, sorry, question number 6, in that the first one, that is cornflakes. I am just writing that cornflakes flakes, that is of 1 kg, weight is equal to 1 kg. Okay, and we have to increase by 15%. Okay, we have to increase by 15%. So let us first of all, what we have to do, we have to find the 15% of it, of 1 kg. We have to find the 15% of 1 kg, and then after we will add that in the 1 kg, so we will get our answer. Let us do that. So 15% is to be increased, so 15 upon 100 into 1 kg. Okay, 1 kg. So here we can directly write here 15 upon 100. Okay, then we get, that is what, 0.15. Here there are 2 zeros, we can put a decimal after the 2 digits. Okay, then this is of kg. The 15% of 1 kg, that is 0.15 kg. Now we have to add this in it. So what we will write, new weight is equal to 1 kg plus 0.15 kg, then we will get 1.15 kg. That is our new weight. So please note down this, students. And next, that is milk powder. Next, that is milk powder. Let us see that. So, milk powder, that is of 500 gram. The second one, that is milk powder, weight is 500 gram. And it is to be reduced by how many percent? 15%. So first of all, we have to find out the 15% of 500 grams. So let us find out this. So 15 upon 100 into 500 gram. Here 0, 0, 0, 0, cut it. Then 15 into 5, that is 50 plus 25. And you get 75 gram, which is the 15% of 500 gram. And then after, over here, we have to add this 75 gram in 500, so we will get our new weight. New weight, that is 500 gram plus 75 gram. So our answer is 575 gram. Okay, our answer is 575 gram. Please note down. And the third one, that is potato. Third one, that is potato. Let us see that. Third one, potato. So that weight is equal to how much? It is 5 kg, and it is to be increased by 5%. Sorry, 15%. 5 kg over here. Then after, here we have to first of all take that how many? 15%, that means how much? And then after we have to add that. So here 15% of 5 kg. 15% of 5 kg. Then here it will be 15 into 5. 15 into 5, that we have got 75. So here it will be 75 upon 100. Okay, 75 upon 100 we have got in the kilogram. Okay, then after, here it will be 0.75 kg, which is 50% of 5 kg. Okay, so here we have got 0.75 kg. Then after, here we get new weight, that is new weight, it is 5 kg plus 0.75 kg. Okay, then our answer will be 5.75 kg. Please note down this, students. And the fourth one, which is washing powder, Yes, it is washing powder of 2 kg that you have to do by your own. Okay students, and we will move towards our new topic, that is average. So first of all, you note down this. I am just giving you some time. Okay students, have you written? Now we are just moving towards the new topic, that is average. So first of all, what is average? We have heard in many things, but I will just give a simple example. So in scooter or bike or in a car, we know about the average. That in that, what is average? We talk about that average in scooter and petrol, how it is measured first of all. We know that the fuel which is added to the bike, car or any scooter, then it is of 1 liter. That in 1 liter, how much kilometer the scooter, bike or car just run. Then in 1 liter, if the scooter just takes 50 kilometer, then its average is 50 kilometer per liter. If in the car it is in 1 liter, it just go to 15 kilometer, then the average of the car is 15 kilometer per liter. Okay. Now in that you can see some of you just read that. Here, the average of 2 or more values is obtained by dividing the sum of all the values by the total number of values. The value should be of the same type. Okay, the average can be a whole number or a decimal. Here you can see the formula is given of average. So let us see first of all the formula of average, that is average. Here, sum of all the values, sum of all values upon the number of values, sum of all values and the number of all values. Then here you can see it is directly, we will just move towards the exercise, that is 2.6. okay, in homework you have to do this, both example number 1 and 2, that you have to do in your homework. And here you can see exercise 2.6, exercise 2.6. okay, in that question number 1, question number 1, that is find the average of the following. From that we will do A, that is 12, 14, 16, 18 and 20. okay, so let us do that first of all. So how we will find the average of this? So it is given here the formula of average. Sorry, I just mixed it up. I am just making a box so you can get to the formula. That is, average is equal to sum of all the values upon numbers of values. Here, writing that first of all, average is equal to sum of all value upon number of values. Okay, so what is the sum of value? So sum of the value means we have to do addition. So here 12 plus 14 plus 16 plus 18 plus 20. So this is the sum of all values. Here the values which are given, we have to do first of all sum means addition. 12 plus 14 plus 16 plus 18 plus 20. Okay, and then after numbers of value. Here how many numbers of value are there? That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here we have to write 5. Okay. Then after we have to do the total. Total will be, first of all do the total by yourself. I am just doing total by myself here. Have you done this, students? The total sum. Here I can say 12 plus 18, that is 30, and 14 plus 16, that is also 30. So 30 plus 30, that is 60. 60 plus 20, 80. So here it will be 80 upon 5. Okay, and here it will be, we know that if I divide with 80, that is 5 ones are 5. Here remains 3. 5 6 are 30. Here 0, 0. Then our answer is 16. Our average, that is 16 of this. Please note down this. And then after the B. But we will not do B. B you just do at your home in your homework. And we will do here the C. We will do here C. So the C is 210 plus 225, 229 and 234. Okay, 2, 3, 4. So let us do sum of this. So average is equal to sum of all values and upon number of values. Okay, so first of all doing the sum, that is 210 plus 225 plus 229 plus 234, and the total number of value, that is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4 are there, so we will write here 4. So now doing the sum over here, that is 210, then 225, then 229, then after 2, 3, 4. Here 5 plus 4, 9, 9 plus 9, 18. So here 1, here 8. Then after 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 3, 9. Here 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 2, 8. Okay, then here we have got, that is 8, 9, 8 upon 4. Okay, 8, 9, 8 upon 4. Okay, then after we have to divide with 4. This total which we have got, that we have to divide with 4, that is 8, 9, 8 divided by 4, that is 4 2s are 8. Here remains 0, then comes 9. 4 2s are 8. Here remains 1, comes down 8. 4 4s are 16. Here remains 0, here remains 2, and if I put a point over here and here 0, 4 5s are 20. Okay, 4 5s are 20. So here we have got our average, that is 224.5. This is our average. Please note down this, students. Okay, have you written this, students? And in your today's homework, what you have to do? In your today's homework, you can see in the page number 93 two examples, that is example 1 and 2, that you have to try. You can solve it easily one, the second one you can't solve easily, so you just have to try. I am not telling that you have to do only that. Okay, and then after exercise 2.6, question number 1b, that you have to do in your homework, and also the remaining sums of 2.5, remaining sums of 2.5. Okay, students, we will meet in the next video. Bye, students.